Yo, what is up, YouTube? So, I know I have not been posting, and I know I haven't posted in a while, and hopefully my explanation that I have is good enough for some of y'all. But today, in this video, we are going to be obtaining the new chainsaw level hybrid. But, so I don't hold y'all. I'm gonna go ahead and get into the video, and I'm going to explain why I haven't been posting in like 11 months. So, my explanation behind that is, for one, I couldn't figure out how to capture or pull games on Steam. At that time, I was using a capture software instead of an actual recording software, which now I'm using OBS Studio. And I couldn't really, my games were just Roblox, so you should see more games that's not just Roblox. And another reason, as soon as I started recording, 2-3 months later, I had broke my left leg right above my ankle. So it's been a difficult journey to um, rebuild my muscle on my leg, and it actually was bad for me to post any videos. I was in my foot was protected for 3 months. I was in a splint, a hard cast, and a boot. I just got out of my boot a month or two ago, and other than that, I also had to get a new headset and multiple other things. My last headset was broken, and my mouse was also messed up areas. Um, but those were the reasons why I haven't been posting like normally. But hopefully, now that I'm using a new recording software, that I will be able to post more regularly and actually post actual games in Roblox. But anyways, I hope my explanation was good enough, and now we're going to talk to the debt collector so we can get the new hybrid for today's video, and maybe I might post another one later today of me playing a horror game. Anyways, enough. Let's get to it. Oh, this seems pretty easy, but the prisoners, I hope it is. But let's go get the prisoners out the way, and then we can go feed on those. But yes, I'm sorry for my uploading schedule and it almost being a year since I haven't uploaded. I didn't forget about y'all, I just didn't know what to post about, and at that time period, I also had broken my leg. So, if y'all have any name suggestions or not game suggestions, put them down in the comments, and sorry for sniffing my nose so much already. I guess I got my sinuses are messing with me again. And I have went back and listened to you for my audio recording. I don't know how to fix that. So if you have any suggestions about fixing that, please tell me, because I have no clue. It's like kind of cuts in and cuts out.
こんなもんじゃねえぞ。見せてやる。
Figured out that just going on TikTok last night and see that I could use I've always known I could use OBS to record, but I didn't know how to install it last night.
見せてやる。
I will probably be making 2 videos, one of horror game that I found on Steam if my mic will work. And two, we're probably playing a game with my brothers at the moment. Would be easier because it was in the pack. But these giant games I would love whenever I probably will not be able to play until I can get the money. If it's a Steam game, then I will probably be able to get the money. Hopefully my uploading schedule should be than it was. My really was better than what it was. Dude, I'm so sorry about all the things I It was just like yesterday.
見せてやる。
I want to get the prisoners out of the way, just because they're the only only non-bullshit in the game that won't get stunned. So yeah, that was fun. Prisoners respond back. It's my notes. This don't seem too difficult. There.
こんなもんじゃねえぞ。
Really got that already. I think pirates. Pretty easy. gotta wait on the prisoners and then the pirates, and then we'll see what the next part of the quest is. How's y'all's days, night, evening been? Good. Screen record. The only thing is that this is, I need to try and fix my mic. We've got like 3 prisoners gone. This is gonna take like forever. Man, don't send the prisoners along this mod. What did you guys need more mastery? No, I hope. Now I guess we're gonna talk about the pirates. They're not that hard to kill, dude. A whole bunch of them if you don't hit all your texts or your moves or whatever. I just need these. Now we're gonna go on the prisoners and I hope the prisoners just spawn and yeah, because I don't feel like sitting for for like 40 minutes, whatever person is fine. It's not how long it take. I'm just it feels like 40 minutes. But I will hopefully be posting more. I'll be posting more, not wait maybe 11 months to post a new video. I want to get out. I want to see if I can post at least one Steam game. Because if I can post one Steam game, then I'm most likely going to be posting horror games and like fun games with friends and all of that. But instead of with my actual friends, I'm gonna do it with some subscribers. Once I blow up or whatever, I'm not gonna do it with friends because most of my friends don't have PC or a laptop to game on or a gaming laptop. So I'm gonna do it with my subscribers once I blow up. Where are these prisoners? If I blow up or if I get at least a decent amount of subscribers, then I'll start doing some fun gaming with them. Oh, there they go. Oh, I don't like that. Yeah, I'm gonna. Oh,
見せてやる。
and loaded. Yeah, I'll peek the avatar, peek the avatar. Change really ain't gonna have to work on that until just a wee bit. Where's all the ones that I need more prisoners to spam? Oh yeah.
見せてやる。
It's also, well, not man, but I don't get why they don't drop chest. I mean, they should drop chest. I don't know why they don't. Where's the ones that I need more? Of course, when I look away, they're all spawning back here.
見せてやる。
8 more prisoners just. Not sure if that. No, because it's not over here. No, don't go. See? 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 I know what I'm talking about.
こんなもんじゃねえぞ。
See? There's in that 18 out of 35. I'm not good at math, so I'm not even gonna try.
見せてやる。
Because I've seen one video, and I think you could find it at the end of this, and I don't know if I'm going to use. Nope. What's over?
見せてやるよ。
Because I don't know what the heck just happened. I had like a lag spike, and everything just went crazy.
こんなもんじゃねえぞ。
We need 6, no, 7. No, I did not mean to actually make that joke. I'm being so serious. We need 8 more. Okay. So this is why I did not do math. I just heard myself doing that.
見せてやるよ。
When I have a running note.
見せてやるよ。
This is like the only thing that I could. Okay, we need ghosts.
こんなもんじゃねえぞ。
My beloved, that quest is done. Actually, no, we're gonna use this bit. Sorry, I can't put my pen on the she almost fell off and digged our digged our claws. Oh. Nice. So, see you in the next quest of obtaining Delta. If I have a dang sanity to do so. Hack the watch video before that video. Because I hear people going, wasn't it like over here somewhere? I know he was over here. Right? Yeah. Alright, I've done the quest. Debt collector. What? Oh!
こんなもんじゃねえぞ。
Take 2.
見せてやる。
Spider-Man's face.
こんなもんじゃねえぞ。やるよ。
Bro, okay, so it's not a good time. See, like, look. Excuse me. He's Oh my. Or because I'm like are we serial? Nope, I'm changing. Nope. I don't mind that I have every single thing locked. Okay. I need them locked, so where's the debt collector at? What? You're telling me if you lose you have to fight the boss again? No. I was right there. What time? Like, what am I supposed to do? Ready to swim. I'm already doing it. Nope, I'm not. I guess I am.
時は来た。よかろう。抗ってみ。教えてやる。正しい力を。
Bug the crap out of me. Already done for it. Fool.
しい力よ
It's like you thought you might use that. I got you again. Oh yeah, I'm doing so much better. I'm not. Okay, we got it. Okay, I'm gonna go get stainless. I'm probably gonna end it here. Because I need to go get something. So I'm gonna obtain this spec. And I'm going to get this spec, the ability. Going to obtain it and then end it off. One day I might, trying to say, I can't spell the words out. One day I might play the game. Oh, that's fancy. Oh, that's peak. But anyways, we obtained the chainsaw hybrid in AUT. I will obtain AU train one day. That's one thing I gotta obtain. But anyways, I'm semi back. I'm not gonna say I'm all the way back because I'm not gonna do this like every day. I'm posting, trying to post normally now. But anyways, peace out. Have a good night, day, or evening, and later.